Do you follow a routine in which you do not deviate from? Whole of your attitude and your intention is very, very clear. You are just doing because somebody else telling. You are not fully a person's integrity or blaming other things on your failures and whatever your views are. Hello my dear aspirants. Again we meet again for the next of the OLQ series, where we will be talking on a very, very important OLQ today, which is part of the factor 2 and the third of the OLQs in this, and the last. There are 3 of them, and this is the third of the OLQs. In the overall series, it is the number 7th of the OLQs. And today we will be talking on the OLQ sense of responsibility, SOR. Again, a very, very important OLQ in which the whole of your attitude and your intention is very, very clearly seen. Please mark my words, your attitude and your intention. These are the 2 important aspects which we look at, which will cover your complete how dutiful are you whenever you are given a job. It could be your parents, it could be friends who are asking help from you, or your teachers, or your boss in case you're working. See, with what responsibility do you do the job? How dutiful are you? And second thing is, how disciplined are you in life? Do you follow a routine in which you do not deviate from? Are you doing exactly what you are asked to do? Do you take responsibility and the ownership for all your acts? Or are you some person who is blaming others or blaming other things on your failures? You are just doing because somebody else telling. You are not fully convinced on that. So here what we look at is, once the job has been given to you, you start owning that problem, and then with lot of effort and passion you are able to come up with a solution. And here there are 2 very distinct things that we look at. Are you a responsibility taker or are you a responsibility seeker? A seeker is a person who does more than what is told to him. A responsibility taker would be a person, you tell him something and he does it. So obviously a responsibility seeker would be a person who is placed at a higher level than a person who just takes a responsibility. And how we see this responsibility seeker is, are you having an obligation to do the job correctly in the right way, the courage of conviction with which you do the job. So there is one thing of doing a job which is legally correct. There is another thing of doing a job which is morally correct. So here we also see whether you are morally correct in whatever decisions you have taken in life, or whatever actions that you believe in, and whatever your views are. All those things would be taken into consideration when we are looking at SOR. Again, a very, very critical OLQ. Any time any assessor feels that this is compromised, the integrity is in doubt of the individual, trustworthiness, honesty, all these very, very heavy words which we all talk about very loosely in our daily life, is seen threadbare by all the assessors when they are deciding on your OLQs. So as you all know, that honesty, integrity, responsibility, courage of conviction, your obligation towards others and to the situation, you are very, very clear as to what decisions you have taken in life. And obviously in your performance, in your psych, interview or GTU. I hope I have made myself clear. And a very important OLQ, this we deal in detail when you do the course. This is an important aspect because there are many other nuances to it about this, and so many books have been written on a person's integrity, and a very important aspect in this, because either you have it or you don't have it. It's either 0 or 100. That's why a carefree person is still acceptable, but a casual or a careless person is not acceptable. So you have to make the distinction as to what kind of personality are you, and you have to develop to become a much more responsible person, right from then for yourself, right up till the nation. So it covers the whole gambit, for responsibility towards yourself to the responsibility towards the nation, and all and everything in between. So as you all know from my talk, that again a very important OLQ that you have to consider upon. Okay. Thank you very much for listening to the video today.